Have you ever noticed how confident people sound when they repeat something they've never actually looked into? Like how everyone just knows the Earth is billions of years old. Or how they say, we came from apes, as if they were there to watch it happen. But the best one? Humans have a tailbone but no tail, so that proves we evolved. Seriously? That's what you're leading with.
What do you mean, like a story?
Tail. It's like a waggy tail. My backbone is longer than it's supposed to be. It's genetic abnormality. It's a vestigial tail.
You do not.
Yeah, I do.
Get out.
All right. You see, if I can't even get my best friend to accept it, how am I supposed to expect some woman to?
Wait a second. Are you for real? Because if you are, I gotta see this.
If he were telling the truth, he wouldn't have told us.
Unless, of course, he knew you wouldn't believe the truth, even if he told us.
They act like it's some kind of evolutionary checkmate.
Good Lord.
You believe me now?
Oh, man, it really does wag.
Only when I'm nervous or happy.
Have you ever thought about getting it cut off?
Cut off? I don't know why I never thought of that when I was getting pummeled in gym class by a bunch of barking seniors.
All right, calm down. Calm down.
God.
When it's actually just a giant red flag that they've never asked basic questions about anatomy, biology, or logic. Let's take a look under the hood of that claim. The tailbone, or coccyx, isn't a leftover, it's a key part of your skeletal system. It provides an anchor point for muscles and tendons, support for your pelvic floor, aid in sitting, balance, and posture. If it were truly a useless evolutionary leftover, it wouldn't be so painful to injure.
You think you can get me to a hospital? I think I broke my ass.
And it definitely wouldn't serve critical biomechanical functions. This isn't a forgotten tale, it's precision engineering.
Data, hurry up! I got a great idea, you guys! Slick shoes! Data!
Hurry up. Sweetheart, are you okay?
No!
Next, they bring out their favorite stat. Humans and chimps share 99% of their DNA, except they don't. That number was cherry-picked from early comparisons of protein-coding genes only, just a small slice of the genome. When you compare the entire genome 1-to-1, it drops to around 85% similarity. That's a difference of hundreds of millions of nucleotides. That's not basically the same, that's a different blueprint entirely.
Take your stinking paws off me, you damn dirty ape!
But you can't breed a wolf into a whale, and you don't get consciousness by tweaking monkey DNA for a few million years. Now, let's address the latest flashy headline. Scientists discover the gene that made humans lose their tails. They're talking about a single ALU insertion in a regulatory region of the TBXT gene, which in mice affected tail development during embryonic growth. And here's the scientific bait and switch. The study showed a splicing change, not an actual tail disappearing. The changes were engineered, not observed in nature. And there's zero evidence this explains how humans lost a tail, but the press releases didn't care. They leapt straight into the conclusion. This mutation caused human ancestors to lose their tails. No evidence, no fossil confirmation, no observable mechanism, just a gene tweak, a mouse experiment, and a mountain of speculation. Then they said, it highlights how a tiny DNA insertion in a regulatory region, not a coding gene, can have major anatomical consequences. Sounds technical, but let's decode that sentence. All DNA is part of the genetic code. You don't get to wave off regulatory DNA as somehow separate from coding DNA. Calling it an insertion makes it sound random, but that's not something they observed. It's an interpretation, not a fact. The whole sentence is designed to suggest a conclusion they never demonstrated. It's not science. It's narrative dressing up as data.
Stupid guys up there telling me to use the stairs when Data's falling. Data's hurt, nobody's care anymore. He's okay. Some guy up there told me I have stupid inventions. Spending months and months and Daddy spying on them and inventing them.
What they're doing isn't experimentation, it's storytelling. They start with a naturalistic assumption, we evolved, then they find something vaguely related and call it evidence. Then they shape the language to make it sound inevitable. Meanwhile, Christians bring evidence for intelligent design, historical resurrection, irreducible complexity, or fine-tuning of the cosmos, and these same people go, nah bro, we've got a tailbone. That's not science. That's just lazy. So next time someone brings up the tailbone like it's some kind of evolutionary trump card, ask them this. Do you know what the coccyx actually does? Do you understand how genes work? Or are you just reciting something you heard in a BuzzFeed video? Because your coccyx isn't a useless leftover. It's a masterclass in design, and it's holding up a lot more than you realize. And that's the real mic drop. But until next time, thanks for watching. Follow for more. The Faceless Prophet out.
If he were telling the truth, he wouldn't have told us.
Unless, of course, he knew you wouldn't believe the truth, even if he told us.